Hey guys, Scott Short at the Sacramento Associated Realtors. We're talking about the upcoming 2019 Finance Forum, the Real Estate Finance Forum. I'm here with my partner. We always do this at our meetings when we do the Midtown meetings.
Matt, the mortgage guy?
That's right. So Matt is back. So Matt is actually signed up for another year. Insane, but hey. So first we want to thank our buddy Anthony Nunez. He's ran the show for, 4 years?
Yeah, he really did an awesome job building up the Finance Forum. It wouldn't be where it's at today if it wasn't for Anthony, so definitely have to shout out Anthony Nunez. Good work, my man. We're going to try to continue the momentum that you've built. And me and Scott met this morning, talked about all kinds of great speakers coming in 2019, so we're really excited about what we're going to bring in 2019. Continue on your great legacy, Anthony. Thanks, brother.
Thank you, brother. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So what we're going to do this year is we're going social, man. Everybody talks about social, but we're going social. And ain't talking about just talking. We're actually going to go live in this. So go to SAR's Real Estate Finance and Affiliate Forum, which, go to their website, their Facebook page, add yourself on, because we're going to be live on that bad boy, do a lot more stuff. We're going to videotape the actual, is that videotape, is that the right word? What do they call it nowadays?
Stream, I guess, maybe.
Okay. We're going to stream or something like that. We're just going to shoot vid, whatever we call it. Then I'll upload it later, because I don't think I'll be able to do Facebook Live. My camera will die on an hour and a half. It'll melt.
Best case, you want to be there. It's a great meeting to come to, shake some hands, meet some folks, really get a bunch of different perspectives from all kinds of different folks in the industry. If you can't make it, we're going to do you the favor of streaming it. So if something comes up and you're not able to make it 1 month, you'll have that all that information. You could go back, even if you're here and you're at the meeting, right? And you want to go back and say, I can't remember what they talked about from Cali HFA or from GSFA. I want to go back and see what somebody said. Go back and watch the video. So just another value add, little something we're doing to step our game up in 2019.
Exactly. And then let's see what else we got. I'm trying to read my notes because I'll forget, because you know me, I'm kind of this way and that way. But we're good. So Matt's going to keep me in check. Thank you, sir. I appreciate that. Then, okay. Also what we're going to do is actually, I'm going to try to get all my speakers who are coming in for the year to do a promo video prior to, we'll launch it on Facebook, the page for SAR, for the Finance Forum, and we'll put it on there. So Leo Whitton will be my speaker, so I'm going to get a vid from him and drop it up. So be on eye for that. Let's see what else here. Let's do this real quick. So I'm gonna run down speakers because Matt and I are talking about that.
Oh, you're gonna tell them the speakers in advance? You don't want to leave them a surprise? We got some awesome speakers for 2019. Go ahead and give it to him, Scotty.
Thank you. I appreciate it. See, he's gonna keep me in check. I like that. See, somebody gotta keep me in check. So let's go with this. So February 7th is our first meeting of the year. So tomorrow we'll not be meeting January 3rd, right?
Right.
If you're here, it's cold outside.
Take January off. Plan in 2019. Get out there and map out what you're going to do to dominate 2019, but we are not meeting until the second month.
Yeah, exactly. Sorry. Second month, right. Thank you. Don't say second, that'd be bad.
Right.
February 7th will be our meeting. Leo Whitton, our buddy from, he's a sales manager for Plaza, but also the current president for the Greater Sacramento Camp Chapter. He's going to give a breakdown of what he sees for 2019, because it's going to be fun, man. So hold on. As they say, it's going to be a bumpy ride for some people. A lot of people are going to ride through and glide and have fun.
Fasten your seatbelts.
There we go. That's my answer. Then from March 7th, our second meeting for the year, you probably know our partner, Mr. Rob Chrisman of the Chrisman Report. If you don't know who Rob is, Lord have mercy, where you been? Rock? Stone, where do you think they've been?
I don't know. But if they haven't heard him, they need to be here in March. And if they have heard him, they're definitely going to be here in March.
We love Rob. So then it's going to be March 7th. Then April the 4th. Okay, April 4th, yeah. Not July 4th. April 4th. We're bringing a guy in you guys don't know about yet. If you've not watched him, go to YouTube, look up Sales Remastered. And a guy named Daniel Nicart. This dude is a wordsmith in words. He's not a bad guy, he's a good guy. Walks in how to talk to clients. He works for a company in Southern Cal that he does mostly inbound phone calls for his team. He's a team lead, but this dude's information I've been watching for a year now. It is solid, rock solid, good stuff. And he's funny. This guy, he does cuss a little bit, so be careful. It ain't PG. It's, I don't know what it is. It's a PR maybe, I don't know what it is. But he's a good speaker. He'll be April 4th. May 2nd, another big boom for our guys. Anybody's on a mortgage industry has probably heard of Mortgage Coach. Mortgage Coach is Dave Savage's company. I've known Dave since '94. Yeah, sorry, dated myself. And Matt knows Dave. We're bringing Dave
Not
Savage.
Since '94, though.
Okay, well, that's true. Matt's not born in '94.
No, I know Dave
He's not born in '94. Sorry. See my hair? See his hair? My hair?
I was born in 1980.
Oh,
shit. I got a little bit of season to me.
Okay, cool. He got some. He don't know black. He don't got no. I'll leave it alone. Sorry.
No,
see, tangent squirrel. Watch out for squirrel. Okay.
So, tell us who else you're bringing, because I'm excited about that one for our realtor partners.
Thank you. So Dave Savage, a mortgage coach. This is going to be either live in our office with Dave, but his guest he's going to be interviewing is Nicole Solari. So look up Nicole Solari, I believe ARI, yeah. She's has her own company, her own real estate company in Napa, and I believe some stuff in Vacaville. But he's interviewed her before. I've seen it. This lady's phenomenal. New in the business. She is the open house queen. She does open house every single day. I think in 2017 she did roughly 200 closings herself. And then I think in 2018 it was over 200.
Yeah,
so
real estate rock star. I'm really excited about that one for our real estate partners. So mark that one on your calendar for sure. Nicole Solari. There is a mortgage coach video on YouTube. You could probably Google Dave Savage, Nicole Solari, and find that one out there. Having her here in person and possibly Dave if he flies out. If not, he's going to be zoomed in like Scott said. Really huge value add for all our realtor partners and anybody really in the real estate industry. All of us are going to glean value from this. This is what we're trying to do for 2019. I'm going off on a tangent.
No, it's okay, brother. Go.
But we're trying to add value and help you sharpen your skills. The people we're bringing in are fantastic mortgage industry leaders, real estate industry leaders, folks that are really going to help you up your game. So that's my tangent. I'm done with that.
No, that's a good tangent. That's good. See, his tangents go on cue. My tangents go off into squirrel. Sorry. So then on June 6th, my buddy Dave, my buddy Kevin Nunn, we all know Kevin from, he's with Unclog Bank, does a lot of rehab stuff, new construction, ground up stuff. He's going to come talk about ADU, accessory dwelling units, granny flat, what do you call it, mud quarter, what's they call it, damn thing? Sorry, darn thing.
Right. You can build on your current property, the second unit.
So
getting easier.
He's going to talk about, because a lot of nuances too, that a lot of people are trying to do some stuff that may not fit, may fit, so Kevin's going to break it down. It's going to be a great meeting. I'm excited to see this one. Then in July, we go to sleep for a minute.
Take July off. Take your kids to Disneyland.
There you go.
Go to Santa Cruz.
Or go to work. Just kidding. Just kidding. And then August 1st, we're bringing in David Mendez. He's the Freddie Mac rep for our region. So there's a big things coming in and talk about Freddie Mac, which is good because we have Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. They're on the conventional lending side, but they do different things, have different worlds you want to talk about. So I want to see what David's got to talk about. That'll be great because it's going to be great. September 5, Matt and I still got to talk about that one. September, we're not sure yet. We're going to
somebody awesome. Yeah, stay tuned.
Right? And then October 3rd. Now, this one I'm still formulating, but it's going to be huge if we get all the guys in play. So I'm trying to bring in owners of companies in Sacramento. Sacramento-owned companies, mortgage companies, right? So right now I've got Kurt Rising of American Pacific Mortgage. He's going to come in board here for a panel. Jim Cofrini of Sierra Pacific Mortgage is coming inbound. I got two other people I'm working with right now to get them online. So
you could probably get Todd Screama from Summit.
I talked to Todd, but Todd's got his core deal on Thursday.
Okay.
So I love Todd. He'd be great. Todd would be great. But one thing I like about Todd is that he is dedicated to his stuff, so he will not.
Every Thursday. Cool.
Yep.
Not
he will
deviate.
He will not deviate.
All right.
Man, I'll try to deviate. We make it slaps. We got coaches slap us, so that's all good. And then that's October 3rd. Then they're going to come talking from owner standpoint, what they've seen for 2019, what they see forwards from owner, because owners right now, probably not a fun place to be in this market. So we want to see what they're saying, what they're thinking, what they're seeing from other whatevers. It's going to be good stuff. Then let's see for November 7th. Now, this is a word, it used to be called subprime, but now everybody calls it non-QM, non-qualified mortgage. We're bringing a panel of those cats in. Matt knows these guys.
I think 10% of the mortgages written in 2019 are going to be non-QM. So it's a piece of the market that if you're in the mortgage or real estate industry and you don't know about non-QM, you haven't heard about it, it's good to at least know what it is. Because it's going to be, I think I heard somewhere, like 10 to 15% of the mortgages written.
If you did 10% of $1 trillion, that's a lot of money.
Yeah.
So we're done. We built a panel of local reps who do non-QM. We're bringing Whitey in from, I think it's from Citadel. We're bringing John Weiss. He's with what's that Oak?
Angel Oak.
Angel Oak. There you go.
Yeah.
See, he knows his cats.
Yeah.
And then Robbie King's coming in from JMac. So I want to have people come in and talk about it, let you guys have some questions because I have no clue what this stuff is, but we'll find out.
Yeah, I mean, in layman's terms, you've got conventional financing and you've got hard money, and in my opinion, non-QM's kind of in the middle.
Yep, exactly.
The rates aren't as bad as the hard money stuff. And it's not as stringent as conventional lending. It lands somewhere in the middle, and there's all kinds of different stuff out there. People are afraid of it because they think that it's, risky lending and whatnot. But if you really dial down and look at it, someone's putting 30% down. They've got a 700 credit score, and they can show you 12 months of bank statements where there's deposits being made.
Right.
They've got a good chance of paying this thing back.
Most of our clients say 50% of net income, gross income, not net income, right? Because they're 75%, so go figure, right?
Yeah. So that'll be a good one.
That'll be cool. So then December, we're still putting that together. I want to bring in a panel of top loan officers who've survived, which and actually thrived in 2019, and tell us what they're going to be doing in 2020. So I may put Matt up there. He may be one of my guys. We'll see what happens.
We'll see how I do.
Matt's got some big goals.
We'll see how I do in
2019. What's your goal, man? Was it 120 deals?
120 loans for $40 million.
You catch that guy.
Yeah.
So keep him
If
accountable.
I'm on track to do that, I get to speak. If not, then I'm out.
We're gonna put him we'll put him in the woodshed. Just kidding. So that's our big thing. Also, we're gonna do is we're gonna switch up our what I call reporters. Reporters are the guys on the agenda that come in and talk about, give us update like CACFA and GSFA, and those guys come in and talk. What I want to do to make sure, Matt and I've talked about this, we want to make sure if somebody comes in front of you, because your time is valuable, that they have content to talk about. It's not just advertising of the company. We know who they are. We don't need advertising. So what's going to happen is they don't have something to talk about. We're skipping over them to another party who has some content. So we're going to switch it up this year. One new reporter we're bringing in is from the building side. So I've got some guys from the builder world who understand what's going on, new construction, what's happening and stuff. So that's for my realtor friends, even for my lender friends, because some of these builders are open to outside lenders to come in and play, and actually, especially that fallout stuff or something that blows up,
Right. Yeah.
So,
and an important tangent here, Scott, is that we are going to pack so much value into this hour and a half that people are going to talk about, man, that finance forum is something I have to go to every month because there's so much value in there. In 2019, one of the most important things you can do, anybody who's an affiliate of SAR or a realtor at SAR is sharpen their tools and get better. And what we're trying to do and what we've talked about this morning, all these great people we're bringing in, we're just trying to help folks sharpen their tools. Because in 2019, if 10, 15, 20% of the industry retires, goes off and does something else, these folks come into these meetings, getting this type of education and really, sharpen their tools to be better, are the ones that are going to survive and thrive.
Right. So bulletproof, a little Teflon, right?
Yep, for sure.
So I'm also going to try to talk Maddie here to maybe step up and actually give a report each month and talk about just some stuff he's learned from his coaching that gives him ideas of how to up your game. Because he's going to my saw shop. I'm going to bring a saw in here, maybe not a saw, maybe a plastic saw. So guys, we're going to have a heck of a time this year. Hope you have fun. This is going to be part of the SAR newsletter. So each month I'm going to do a video like this. So hope you like them.
Look forward to seeing you in February.
There we go. Have a blessed day, man.
Bye. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.